No, I'm gonna videotape inviting him and everything. How can he connect? I have an open connection. What about Mr. Clutch? Was he in here? Is he on their team, Mr. Clutch? No? No show. I'll invite him again. I have an open connection, so there's no way he cannot connect to me. No show. Now I'll put it to my... Yo, report the match. I'm done videotaping.